Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes. In today's video, we will be focusing on self-care, beauty maintenance, and just taking care of our mind, body, and soul. So first, we're going to start with a relaxing foot bath. And my first tip of the day is to find some Epsom salt, some dried flowers, and if you can, some essential oils. Soaking your feet has many benefits, including reducing inflammation, reducing and preventing athlete's foot, loosening your skin to help remove splinters, treating toenail fungus, and more. So if you are a coffee lover like myself, or you just haven't been keeping up on your oral hygiene, I highly recommend getting your hands on some charcoal powder to help whiten and brighten your smile. Okay, this product has definitely been a huge game changer for my skincare routine. The formula is packed with collagen and antioxidants, and I have definitely seen a noticeable difference in the texture of my skin. Yes, my man has even complimented me on my skin. So ladies, get your hands on this product fast. I found this facial steamer at Burlington over a year ago while I was pregnant, and I never got a chance to use it, so this was my first time. The experience was so peaceful and relaxing, and I definitely noticed a huge difference in how well my products were applying during my skincare routine. So I highly recommend getting a facial steamer to use at home. Okay, so last minute I realized that my batteries in my facial brush died, but no worry, we're not going to stress. This is a relaxing self-care day, so I just improvised and used small circular motions to do a manual face scrub. So one of the changes that I wanted to make this year is to start drinking more herbal teas. Studies have shown that teas are rich in antioxidants, they contain less caffeine than coffee, they help with weight loss, and they also help to boost your immune system and to decrease stress. So that wraps up this video. I hope you all enjoyed and were able to learn a few tips and tricks. Before I close this video out, I just wanted to remind everyone that self-care is definitely a priority, and I think it should be everyone's goal this year to put themselves first. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.